Hey guys, for those who are new to my channel, I'm Liliana, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this a beautiful buttercream foot line cake made out of 2 different tones and a little border of edible metallic paint. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, you can subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. product. Very simple cake to make. It's basically just crumb coat your cake, put it in the freezer for 5 minutes, bring it back, give it a second coat of buttercream, and then you're gonna clean it up, chill it again for another 5 minutes, bring it back. You do your first shade. I would highly suggest for you to do a darker shade. I found mine was a little bit too pale, but still came out nice. But you do your first shade, and then you smooth it out with your cake smoother, chill it for 5 minutes. When I say chill it, I don't want you to like freeze your cake. So a lot of you guys have been writing to me, Liliana, my cake is sweating. I don't want your cake to sweat. It's just for, when I say chill 5 to 10 minutes, it's just so that the buttercream sets in order to put the second coat so that the colors don't blend. If you don't do that and the buttercream doesn't set and you put your second shade of buttercream, and as soon as you scrape it, the colors are gonna blend, and that's not what you want. You really want 2 different shades of buttercream. And that is basically it. And then I finished it with edible metallic paint. Make sure, I keep saying it, it's edible, because there's a lot of metallics out there that are really nice, they're really shiny, but they're not edible and they're toxic. So make sure that it is edible. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Do a second coat, and then once again, put it in so very simple. You just crumb coat your coat,